Good morning from a very sunny day here on the Antarctic Peninsula. We are heading towards Prospect Point and it is going to be an epic day. Let's go! Today's sunny day in Antarctica. Yeah. What are we looking for?
Well, we're looking for leopard seals. I think wildlife on a day like today would be awesome because we're going to have all the light we need for the fast shutter speeds. And some of the ice formations that are floating around out there. There's going to be so many cool abstracts to catch. So,
Nick, they all noticed.
Oh, they did. Yeah. It's balmy. It's like a balmy 32 degrees Fahrenheit out there. So, but man, it's so beautiful. It's different than what we've had so far.
Thank you. All right, let's go.
Ready? Yeah. Nice, beautiful day out today.
Yeah, these are all going on YouTube, so probably this shot, right?
I would say it's probably yeah.
And good morning once again from the boat. It is a stunning weather day here in Antarctica on the Antarctic Peninsula. We are cruising around the Fish Islands, heading our way back up north. If you haven't seen the last video, check that out because we did cross the circle and now we are heading back towards the northern end of the peninsula and eventually crossing the Drake Passage. But this area of Antarctica is absolutely incredible. 360-degree view. We've got an Adelie penguin colony on this side, big old peak, and a glacier, and Janine, and the boat, Seaventure, and an iceberg that's just catching beautiful color right there. So we're gonna head towards that. Whoa, come back. We're gonna head just over there to that iceberg, see if we can get a couple nice photos, explore the area, maybe some penguins, and maybe, if we're really lucky, some seals. Guys, quick interruption from my home studio here. I'm editing Epic Antarctica right now, and I wanted to make an announcement that I'm heading back, and this time partnering with Michael Shaneblum. So 2 years time, January 2027, we'll be joining Polar Latitudes once again, crossing the Antarctic Circle, and it's going to be another awesome travel photography experience. So I want to give you the heads up here that if you're interested in joining or learning more about that journey, the link and info is in the description. All right, let's get back to the video. We are back on the boat and it is time to say goodbye to Prospect Point and the Fish Islands. This has been a really beautiful spot to explore and get out on the Zodiacs. We saw that leopard seal right at the end of our Zodiac cruise, which was just perfect timing. Everybody was really hoping to see one because of the interactions that we've had with leopard seals over the last few days, especially in the last video, the one crossing the circle. If you haven't seen that, definitely go and check it out. We got up close and personal with the seal sort of playing with the Zodiac, got some amazing underwater footage, and the chance to see one again in a less hectic environment chilling on ice was just the perfect way to end this cruise. And it's only like halfway through this video. So another just stunning location on the Antarctic Peninsula as we head further north. And I believe, I hope that the weather's gonna stick with us for another day. So we got lots more to see as we explore a new location, most likely tomorrow, hoping for 2 landings, one in the morning, one in the afternoon, and see what we can see, because so far it's been pretty epic. And as much as I joke with that word, it's kind of hard to think of anything else to say when you're looking at landscape like this. It's just incredible. And good morning from the next day on the deck of the Seaventure with Polar Latitudes. We are cruising into Paradise Bay, and just over the cliff line here of the ridges you can see is Nico Harbor, and that's our location for this afternoon. So this is going to be another beautiful day exploring the Antarctic Peninsula. Views as far as you can see of just epic peaks, hanging glaciers, tons of snow and ice, and beautiful light, no wind, perfect conditions. Let's explore, and hopefully we'll continue to get just incredible photos, because this is what this adventure is all about. You're in for a visual treat here today as epic Antarctica continues. Let's explore Paradise Bay and Nico Harbor. And we are back on the ship after that incredible cruise around Paradise Harbor. I've been told it's either harbor or bay, depending on who you speak with. But look at this. There's an Argentine base back behind me. That's what the red buildings are, with the Argentine flag on the roof. And this is just an incredible glacier right there. River of ice coming down this hill into the bay, into the Southern Ocean here in Antarctica. And stunning, stunning day, stunning scenery. Let's do a little nature appreciation moment for just how beautiful this is right now. Incredible, incredible, epic Antarctica. It is not like this most of the time. We are getting very, very lucky right now. This is just amazing. And we have made it to Nikko Harbor. I'm sure all of this landscape is starting to look the same to you guys. This video continues to be just perfect conditions. And it sounds like we are going to end it with a bit of a bang. We're gonna go visit a Gen 2 penguin colony, which is just off in the distance behind me here, and then come back to the ship for a barbecue dinner. And it is probably about 2 degrees, feels like 10 degrees in the sun. Maybe that's a foreshadowing for climate change down here, which has been a topic that a few of the scientists have covered on board. And you can really feel it today. I mean, this is possibly one of the warmest days that Antarctica will have this year. It sure feels like it right now. So no wind to speak of. Temperatures around most likely 2 degrees Celsius, but feels much warmer in the sun. And we're going to make the most of it because it is our last sort of full good weather day here on the peninsula before we start heading back up north towards the South Shetland Islands and then across the Drake Passage back to Ushuaia. So yeah, it's time to explore Nikko Harbor and a Gen 2 penguin colony. Touchdown, Nikko Harbor. We have made the landing. It's our first landing of this video, right? Yeah, I think it is. And we've got a bit of a hike, which is nice. Good to stretch the legs. And on a day like today, you really couldn't ask for a better location to do so. This is a Gen 2 penguin colony. Get nice and close to them here. Absolutely beautiful, beautiful penguins. Brush-tailed penguins, similar to the Annelise in the earlier videos. And look at these views. I think I'm gonna post up, film a bit of a time lapse, get some nice like portrait style photos of these guys and just observe them. This is the perfect habitat and the perfect weather. So let's see some up close Gen 2 penguins. And good evening from Nikko Harbor. Look at this light. It is almost 9 p.m. and this is the end of an incredible day exploring the Antarctic Peninsula. Just 2 beautiful days here in this video. Absolutely perfect weather, perfect conditions. And to end it with a night like this, the ship's doing a barbecue. Everybody's in like super good mood. We've got some amazing photos, and this just feels like the perfect way to cap it off. So without making it too long, I hope that you guys have enjoyed these videos from here in Antarctica. Huge thanks to Nick Page, of course, to Annelise Page, to all of the photographers that were with us on board, to Mike Mez and his crew, to all the Polar Latitudes crew, the expedition staff, all the people working behind the scenes to make this happen. It has just been another great example of an amazing travel photography and adventure photography workshop focusing on landscapes and wildlife, and exactly what I'm trying to do to build a business focused on this kind of stuff. So if you are at all interested in coming down to Antarctica, send me an email, let me know, and I will try to make it happen for you. For you guys at home, as always, thank you so much for watching. Hope you've enjoyed these videos, and we're saying goodbye from Antarctica. Next up for me, heading back to Hamburg to reunite with my beautiful family, and I'm running the Hamburg City Break. That's the next trip that I'll be doing, and then after that, it's Bolivia. So I'll see you in those videos. so Epic Antarctica is coming to an end.
Yeah, it's kind of bittersweet. It's been tiring in the way that like we've done so much photography. Like we all have blistered trigger fingers, but what an unbelievable life-changing trip. Everybody always talks about how Antarctica is like, you know, bucket list item, and it is the bucket list of bucket list items. Absolutely incredible.
Yeah, we had an amazing experience, so I hope you guys watching this have enjoyed the footage, enjoyed the photos. Be sure to check out Nick's videos as well. There's going to be lots of good content to kind of see what we've been up to down here and the photo results. But as always, thank you for watching, and stay tuned because we are going to team up again in 2026. We're heading to East Greenland and taking a few of these guys with us, and that's going to be fun. But lots to look forward to both on his channel and on mine. And next up for me is Bolivia. It's coming back to South America. But first I get to go home and see the family, which is going to be really nice.
Yeah.
You get to reunite with Zane as well.
Yeah. And I miss my dog.
Hey.
Yeah, it's too long to be away from your dog. I've got a good girl at home. I gotta go home, man.
Awesome. All right. We'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.
Peace.